Okay, write the fraction that is exactly halfway between 0.72 and 4/5. Write the fraction in its simplest form. Now, 0.72, okay, obviously is not written as a fraction. It's written as a decimal, okay. 4/5, okay, we've got that as a fraction. What I'd perhaps do to start with is write this here as a fraction, okay, 0.72. We should appreciate 0.72, okay, is just 72 hundredths, okay. It's 72 out of 100. That's what that is, okay. And then 4/5, of course, is already a fraction. So to see what's halfway between them, what we need to do is compare the fractions. But when we compare the fractions, ideally we need to have a common denominator, okay. We've got 100 here, but there's a 5 there. So what I'll do is I will scale this one up, so this out of 100, okay. And then, of course, if I'm scaling that up to out of 100, I've got to times the bottom, haven't I, by 20, I think, okay. 5 goes into 120 times, and I've got to times the top by 20, okay. So times the bottom by 20, times the top by 20, and I get 80. So now I've got these two fractions, 72 out of 100, and then of course I've got 80 out of 100 here. And I need to see what goes in the middle, okay. And all you need to think about, what goes in the middle of 72 and 80? And if you think about it, you'll get that be 76. 76 out of 100. So that's what the fraction is halfway in between. And of course then we need to simplify this down, because it wants it in its simplest form. And when I simplify, sometimes I just like halve top and bottom. So 78 over 50, okay. Are we good with that? And then, you know, we can see we could halve it again. So half the top we get 19, half the bottom we get 25. So 19 out of 25. Okay, that's as simple as it can go.